What's up, YouTube? It's my 2002 Grand Marquis LS. What I'm doing today is changing out the front shocks. The top of the shock has two nuts on it. What you want to do is get you a 9/16 on the bottom nut and a ratchet for the top nut. Get that one off, no big deal. But then getting that bottom nut is a little bit hard, but not too bad. Get you some vice grips, lock it on the top shaft, and a ratcheting wrench really helps big time. And that's how you get that off. And like I said, it's already loosened up, so once you got it loose, get that off. Get the rubber bushing off. Rubber bushing, we'll get to that later. Let's go underneath the car. These are loosened up as well. Two bolts, size 13 millimeter is what I used. One tip, make it a little easier, is spray them with PB Blaster for a few days before taking them off. Now, one thing to make note of is this thing here where my thumb is touching. See how it's kind of slanted there? That's the way you want the new one to go back in. Put old ones out. Grab our new one. KYB Gas A Just. About the rubber bushings, something I learned on crownvic.net. Replace them with polyurethane. Energy suspension. It's basically the bushing kit for the sway bar end links. So tell them the year, make, and model of your Crown Vic or Marquis. Tell them you want the polyurethane bushings, end link bushings, and you should be good. Here's the rubber. You can squeeze them. These a lot tougher, a lot more stiff. They look dirty, but they're greased up. People say the poly tends to squeak. Grease them up real good. Here's the front shock. What I did, optional, but I went and bought one of these universal shock boots. Kind of keep it clean, keep the dust out, keep water out. As you can see, I got the bushing in place with the washer underneath the bushing. Cup side, it's like a bowl. Make the bowl going up. Bushing on there. And installation's pretty much reversal of taking them out. I hope this helped you guys, and I'll have a video on the rear shocks pretty soon.